If you ever saw the original Karate Kid back in the 80s with Ralph Macchio, and he goes to train with Mr. Miyagi and learn karate, and he wants to learn all the cool karate moves right away, and instead Mr. Miyagi makes him do all these chores around the house. He makes him wax the floors and paint the fence and do all this menial work that doesn't seem like it has anything to do with karate. But we find out later that those were actually foundational moves for some of the really cool moves that he ends up learning. My point is, when it comes to fitness, weightlifting, bodybuilding, you have to do those boring basics before you can get to the stuff that looks cool. Without the foundations, that advanced stuff isn't going to do anything. So my point is, no matter what your fitness goals are, you have to start with the basics. Count your steps. Aim for at least 10,000 a day. Walk for 10 minutes after every meal. Track what you eat. Aim for at least a gram of protein per pound of body weight. Cut out the alcohol. I know none of this sounds sexy or very appealing to most people. The foundations, you can't bypass them. There are no shortcuts. The best shortcut is not to look for shortcuts. So get at it. So this is our fridge before meal prep, because I just got home from getting groceries and I just threw everything in there knowing that it's going to be cooked, so I didn't really try to organize it. And yeah, this is what it looks like. It's not really pretty compared to after the meals are all prepped and ready to go. But before pictures are rarely pretty. Get a bag of frozen pre-cooked shrimp, thaw them out, get a couple of pre-made salad greens, throw some sliced peppers, some baby tomatoes, or cucumbers, throw your shrimp on there. A half a pound of shrimp, so 8 ounces of shrimp has 54 grams of protein. Quick lunch, no carbs, lots of protein. Not that carbs are bad. Lots of color, gives you lots of nutrients, and it's jam-packed with the protein, and you don't even have to cook it. So this is the difference between me in the kitchen and Mark in the kitchen. I could blame it on ADHD, perhaps. Like, I have a reason for everything that's on the counter right now. Like, I'm gonna make my Ninja Creamies and mix them. So I have the immersion blender over here. I just made my salads, but I haven't gotten around to putting them away. So they're still on the counter. I have the tripod because I did a little video when I made the salads. And the mushrooms are still out because I made a frittata, which is now in the oven, but I haven't put the mushrooms away. And then I have a box of tea on the counter. I took out the tea because I was thinking, you know what?
I might want tea in October.
I might want a cup
It's
of tea.
almost September.
I went downstairs to the pantry cabinet and saw we had a few boxes of this tea that I really like, and I haven't had it for a while. And I thought, oh, that might be good to make. So I brought some upstairs, and it hasn't made it past the counter. So
How's that raw shrimp and the salads sitting out on the counter?
I'm actually going to put those away now.
today.
The spaghetti squash is actually out because it's meal prep day and Mark will be cooking the spaghetti squash. The peppers, I thought I might use in my salads, but I cut up the one that was already in the fridge. So the new peppers I never used. And then we have a bill from the landscaper that's just been sitting on the counter for 3 days. So I should actually put that on my desk. Behold the meals for the week. So these are Mark's meals on the right. And then these are my meals on the left. He comes home at night and he puts together like his other meals. So his are not all prepped. But I've got my meals for my upper body days, because those are medium days. Meals for leg days, that's monsters. And then I've got meals back here for my rest days. I got breakfasts. And then we got some extra veggies here. Got asparagus, got salad, got some carrots, got extra rice, extra chicken, eggs, egg whites. Pretty much covers all the bases. This is breakfast. It's my egg white and whole egg frittata with spinach and roasted red peppers and mushrooms, which is absolutely delicious. And I eat this every single morning. Get your steps, drink your water, eat your protein, lift your weights, get your sleep, and do it over and over and over, whether anyone's watching you or not, whether you feel like it or not.